Hi everybody, it's Teacher Sheila. Today we're going to read a book called Chickens Aren't the Only Ones by Ruth Heller. Chickens lay the eggs you buy. The eggs you boil or fry, or the eggs you dye, like for Easter. Or leave alone so you can see what grew inside naturally. This baby chick came from a chicken egg. Chickens aren't the only ones. Anybody know what kind of bird that is? Peacock. Every bird, wild or tame, does the same. The ostrich lays the largest egg, and that's really how big it is. See, it's as big as my hand. And the hummingbird lays the smallest. That's a little teeny tiny. Chickens aren't the only ones. Most snakes lay eggs, and lizards too. And crocodiles and turtles do. And dinosaurs who are extinct, but they were reptiles too. Looks like that hatched a T-Rex. Frogs and toads and salamanders lay eggs, and when they hatch, they are tadpoles who grow legs and climb on a lily pad just like their mom and dad. They don't have claws or scaly skins. They are called amphibians. Fish lay eggs that float way up to the top of the surface or sink to the bottom of the ocean floor. The mother seahorse lays her eggs into the father's pouch. He keeps them there until they hatch. And then, when he's through, I think it's nice of him, don't you? These fathers too are helping out by guarding eggs protected by a foamy mass that's floating by. And they won't leave until they're sure that all the eggs have hatched. These don't look like eggs to me, but they were laid in the sea. This one is by a shark. This one is by a ray. It's a mermaid's purse, they say. The octopus is said to shed 100,000 eggs and then hang them up in strings attached to rocks or caves. Look at all these. The moon snail's eggs are mixed with sand to form this collar-looking band. Spiders wrap their eggs in sacks. And snails, you know, are very slow, but they lay eggs that hatch and grow. And so do insects, who have 6 legs and lay many different kinds of eggs. This one will hatch into a hungry caterpillar who will grow and grow and grow and then climb to a stem and change into this, a chrysalis, and change again one summer morn, and that's how a butterfly is born. Animals with fur or hair who nurse their young and don't lay eggs are known as mammals. But these are 2 exceptions, and they both live in Australia. A spiny anteater and a duckbill platypus. Chickens aren't the only ones. There's no more to discuss. Everyone who lays an egg is an ophidius. Animals who do not lay eggs have babies born well, alive, and that's another story to tell. The end. Thanks for reading with me. Bye.